Good morning, students. Welcome back to the art class. I'm sure you must be ready with your neck piece by now. This neck piece from Sikkim, which I taught you last time. And today I'm going to teach you some hair jewelry or hair accessories, you can say, from Sikkim. For that, you will be needing a red paper. You will be needing some stick-ons or these studs and a headband. Now children, please prefer a headband which is a flat one, flat plastic one. Since I do not have that with me, I'm showing you this headband just as for a sample. Alright, because on the flat one, it will be easier for you to stick the red paper. See, again they use a lot of red and golden. So it will be easier for you to stick the red paper and then wear it on your head and present. So what we need a strip of this red paper, like this is a strip of white paper. Now what will you do to children? Take your pencil, and if you want you can take a scale. I can just cut out, what I do is I cut out, I just take a measurement in my mind and I just cut it out. However thick you want, but not very thick. I think 1 inch or 1.5 inch strip should do for us. I'll tell you with the scale. So if you see, you all know this is inch. So this is 1 inch. To make it easier for you, do one thing. Just keep your scale along the length, the longer side of the sheet, the longer side, right? Keep it like this at one corner. Hold. Draw a line. So you get a strip of this thickness. This thickness is perfect for us. And you did not have to do any hard work. Just 2 minutes it took. We got the measurement. Now on this, I'm going to cut it out. Children, you can see I'm cutting on this line. Right? I'm almost... Now children, once again for this strip, just like we did in the necklace, we did trapezoids. This time we can take squares. We need tiny squares which can fit onto this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a very thin part. This part is thinner than my strip. You all can see. Can you see? Let me show you the white side. It is thinner than my red strip, right? Just in piece. This much is enough. Keep the rest of the sheet back. And now, just cut out some small squares. Try to make them of equal size. Children, in the center, these people use a circle. There's a circle in the center for the decoration. Just, you must have seen a mang tika your mama, boys, your mothers must be wearing, and girls, you must be having one. So you must have seen, when you wear it on the head, there's usually a circle in the center for the hair accessory. So we need a golden circle which can fit inside this. So as you all know, paper comes from the tree and we are not wasting. So I had this small piece of paper, thinner than the red strip, and I've drawn a circle on this. If you have a paper punching machine, you can use it with a punching machine. Use a punching machine to do this. And very carefully with your small scissors, be very, very careful. I've told you previously also. Be very careful with your scissors. Cut out a circle shape. Don't worry too much that it's not looking like a perfect circle. You don't have to worry. Automatically, once you place everything on this and once you put the studs and all, it's going to look very, very beautiful. So you don't have to worry about the squares not looking very straight or the circle not looking very straight. And like this, we are going to decorate the entire. Children, once again, be careful of the gaps. You should not leave too much gap like this. And one side, if only this much gap, then your jewelry piece will not look nice. The gaps, try to make them as equal as possible. Children, this is done, and now let's put our stick-ons to decorate it. Children, this is ready, decorated, and now you can stick it on your band. Like this. Since I told you my band is not straight, this circle will be in the center, and in case you don't have a flat band like I don't have, you can just wear it on your head like this and put your hairpins. So now you have two jewelry pieces from Sikkim ready with you. One is the neck piece and second is the hair jewelry. And it's time to make some Sikkimese earrings. Now you must be wondering, ma'am, why are you showing us two different earrings? See, the reason is, children, when I will teach you to make this earring, Sikkimese earring, out of paper, you will be needing a base to stick it on. Now, one way is to stick it on to any old earring which is available to you. Since I've lost the other piece of this earring and this earring also, so I'm using these, and I'm going to stick that paper earring onto these. Sikkimese earrings are circular, so basically we need two circles, not really big. You can look for any cap which is of a medium size, not very big, not very small. For me, this cap size is all right. So I'm going to use this cap and cut out my two circular earrings. So keep this at the corner and draw a circle. Now, I've already told you how you can double your sheet and get two circles of the same size at the same time. So let me take extra paper. Okay. Yes, and from this side, close to this circle, fine, fold it and very carefully cut this out. Children, we've got these two circles with us. As you must have seen in the picture, these Sikkimese earrings, they are made totally of gold and they are just golden in color. But if we want to make it look a little more nicer, then we have our stick-ons with us. We can decorate it in whichever way we want, and after that we can place it on our old earrings and wear them. Base is ready. You can see I've decorated it also, and now I'm just going to stick these two onto my old earrings. Now, if you feel that this is curling up and you don't want this to curl up, children, you can take any thick paper, place this onto it and cut it out. That's up to you. So our earrings are also ready to be worn. I hope you found this series very interesting. We did a lot of jewelry pieces from Sikkim, and I really hope that you enjoyed making each one of them. Hope to see you creating some nice neck pieces, earrings, hair accessories for yourself and your family members. See you in the next class. Bye bye.